When choosing the right telescopic pole, there are several factors to consider. Now, of course, we also need to ask which water-fed telescopic pole best suits your specific needs. Essentially, this depends on the heights you normally work at. That is why the nLITE telescopic pole range from UNGER is separated into different types of materials. This means you can find the right telescopic pole for every height from the ground floor to the 6th floor, with the optimal material composition in terms of rigidity and weight for each height. For professionals like you, we recommend the nLITE Carbon 24K pole from UNGER. Made of 24K premium carbon fibres, it offers you the optimal combination of low weight, extreme rigidity, and maximum load capacity. A first-class choice for up to the 2nd floor. And if you do want to reach higher every now and then, you can use the matching telescopic extension pole to extend the reach of your nLITE Carbon 24K main pole up to the 4th floor. There are many more advantages to our nLITE telescopic pole range. One of the main highlights is the innovative, unique shape of our nLITE poles, which prevent the pole from twisting. And with the precision grip, the nLITE pole lays perfectly in your hand, allowing you to work more safely, more precisely, and comfortably than ever before. What also sets our nLITE poles apart is the quick and easy closing of the smart lock clamps with just one finger. Another advantage: the integrated hose management. The highly flexible Duroflex hose is threaded inside the pole so that it doesn't bother you when cleaning windows or facades. You can continue to use the internal hose guide when connecting the main pole to the extension pole. With the UNGER Pure Water Cleaning System, you can easily do everything right, we promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today. Find out more here.